I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fiesta key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, which is perfect for gently prying open the key fob. Additionally, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this simple process even easier and help prevent losing any small parts. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and insert its tip into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to the casing. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, observe how the old battery is positioned. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully lift and remove the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, let's put everything back together and test it out. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, head to your vehicle and test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking the doors, to ensure your new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.